Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss diffusion of innovation. Diffusion means a process to spread out. Innovation means transformation of an idea into something useful. There are two different kinds of innovations: new things or development of new things. Diffusion of innovation encompasses some four processes or four things: innovation, channels of communication, social system, timeliness. To sum up this, one can say that the process by which an innovation is communicated through media over time among members of a social system. This is the definition by Edward Rogers, a sociologist and professor of communication studies. Diffusion and adoption of innovation. It means how a diffusion is adopted. Diffusion is a macro process concerned with the spread of a new product from its source to the consuming public. Adoption. Adoption is a micro process that focuses on the stages through which an individual consumer passes when deciding to accept or reject a new product. Stages of diffusion. There are five stages of adoption or diffusion, that how the new innovation or how innovation diffuse. Innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, laggards. These are five categories of adopters. So we can see here that innovators adopt 2.5%, early adopters adopt 13.5%, early majority 34%, late majority 34%, and laggards are 16%. Channels of communication. How quickly innovation spread depends on channels of communication. Correct communication channels used during the process of diffusion oriented towards behavior and preferences of the target category of adopters. Internet, TV, radio, banners, SMS, newspaper, etc. These are channels of communication. Now we will discuss social system. It is a physical, social, or cultural environment in which people belong and within which they function. It can be of two types: traditional social system and modern social system. Diffusion process takes place in this way: innovation, channel of communication, social system, and time. Diffusion process. Diffusion process is the backbone of the diffusion process. It spreads the study of diffusion in three distinct ways: the amount of purchase time, the identification of adopters categories, the rate of adoption. Stages of decision process. Knowledge. One is exposed to an innovation existence and gains an understanding of how it functions. Persuasion. One forms a favorable or unfavorable attitude towards the innovation. Decision. One engaged in activities that led to choice to adopt or reject. Implementation. One puts an innovation to use. Confirmation. One seeks reinforcement of their decision. Innovation decision process. Knowledge, persuasion, decision, adoption, implementation, confirmation, and there are two divisions of confirmation: continued adoption or discontinued, rejection, and two subdivisions or of rejection: later adoption or continued rejection. Conclusion. Diffusion of innovation seeks to explain how innovations are taken up in a population. An innovation is an idea, behavior, or object that is perceived as new by its audience. Thank you.